okay. It'll cover with a bat.
Hi neighbors, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. In order to fully experience fall, I needed some apple cider. Therefore, I went to my local grocery store and picked up some apple cider. And so now I'm going to be sharing with you guys an apple cider recipe. The recipe is from Wishesndishes blog, but I decided that since Halloween is approaching, I would make it Halloween themed. But this one turned out a little bit Christmas themed, more so. So if you would like to see how it turned out, then please continue watching. Let's go! This recipe makes 6 cupcakes. Add in 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter that's softened. Mix it with the electric mixer or a whisk. So you want to whisk until the butter is soft and fluffy. And now you want to add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Afterwards, you're going to continue mixing and make sure it's fully incorporated. Gather all the dry ingredients, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 5/6 cup of all-purpose flour. Also prepare 1/2 cup of apple cider, and now you're going to add the dry ingredients slowly into the wet mixture. Alternate between the dry and apple cider. And so now you're going to keep blending and repeat the steps. After it is fully incorporated, pour into a cupcake tin or muffin tin that is already buttered with a hint of flour. Now that's all ready, time to bake. So you want to bake at 350 degrees for 17 to 19 minutes.
Oh, that butter.
Add in 1 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. In our case, we ran out of powdered sugar. We actually made the powdered sugar. Add in 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and now mix well. Add in 1 tablespoon of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and continue mixing. So
It's too granulated. Right now, it almost looks like a batter.
unfortunately, we couldn't change the gritty texture of this cupcake frosting, but we were still able to change the creaminess of the frosting by adding more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. We decided to do a 2-tone colored frosting, so we set aside some frosting for the green, and now for the remaining batter, we decided to color it orange.
Let me see those blood stains again.
Look! Oh my goodness!
Very fitting into the Halloween theme, huh?
We actually had an accident and the red came out of proportion. And moving on, we colored the other bowl of frosting green. To make the 2-tone color frosting, you want to place one of the frosting on one side and then fill up the other side with the other color.
One side, and the other side.
Just like Elle did here. And now pack it all together and it's ready to go. Now we're preparing some melted chocolate. We're going to use this chocolate to decorate our cupcakes. And now it's placed into a bag and ready to pipe. Guess what we're making? Here comes the 2-tone color frosting. So it's a little bit choppy because the frosting actually needed to warm up a little bit more. We placed it in the fridge after we packed it, so it's a little bit cold and kind of hard to pipe out.
That one looks ugly. That's a little weird. This one is okay. That one kind of looks like poop.
But this is a nice looking poop.
So, we learned from our mistake where we need powdered sugar a little bit less granulated.
Or just use store-bought powdered sugar.
Yeah, that too. And to soften up just a touch more so it will come out a little bit.
Ta-da! Presenting our cupcakes. So here's our cupcakes that we made. Alright. So we're not cupcake decorators.
Oh, nope.
But we tried our best. It was really fun in the process. So who should we consume?
I say this one that looks like his tongue sticking out.
Okay.
Right over here. Whoop. There we go.
I don't want to split it in half. Should I take the hat off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh.
Actually, the inside's
Yeah, it's
pretty
pretty nice.
It's moist.
Okay, we're gonna take a big bite.
Wow.
Oh, a big bite.
I know. The Pac-Man. Okay. Not bad. Yeah. Taste the apple cider too.
Mm-hmm.
Really like.
I think this might be a little bit too sweet, the cream. But I like the light cupcake.
And they actually balance out.
I know it's sugar. I hear you granulated sugar.
But otherwise,
It does blend well. Yeah.
eating together it's actually okay. I'll probably go lighter on the frosting. But overall, not bad.
Oh, I definitely like these apple cider cupcakes. They're really moist. It's best to use powdered sugar.
Yeah, we tried to make our own. If you're gonna do that, make sure you blend it really, really well. I think I should use the food processor.
I think we did a good job.
Yes.
I like this one.
Okay. Well,
Alright, I might just take off the buttercream to be honest. Might be too much. Ellen and I, actually mostly Ellen, but we worked together to make these cupcakes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you do, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the next time I upload. Have a good one. Bye! God!